Hi, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we solve the problem of painting the fence, right? So in that problem, given a fence with an post and k colors, find out the number of ways to painting the fence so that no more than two consecutive posts have the same colors. Answer are guaranteed to be fit into a 32 bits integer, right? So n is equal to 3, k is equal to 2, and the output is 6, right? So and yeah, so the main problem is we have the n post and k color, and this is the post and the k, that is the color, right? Condition is no more than two consecutive posts can have the same color. No more than of two consecutive colors have the same color, right? So we track two cases, same and different. Last two posts have the same color. Last two posts have a different color, right? That is the key point. Key point is same, which means last two posts have same color, and the different last two posts have different color, right? So the base case is equal to 4 and is equal to 1. Ways is equal to k. How much ways? Ways we have the k, right? And for n is equal to 2, the same is equal to k, and the different is equal to k into k minus 1. That is the different. If we have the uh, ways is equal to k, correct, and the same is equal to k, and the different is equal to k into k minus 1, right? And at the end, total is equal to same plus different is equal to k plus k into k minus 1 is equal to k into k, right? So the transitions main for every post, case 1 is equal to, you can only make same if previous were different, right? You can only make same if previous were different. अगर पहले वाला डिफरेंट है तो अभी वाला बस सेम करना है, सेम आई इज इक्वल टू डिफरेंट आई माइनस 1. और अगर डिफरेंट आई है पहले वाला तो यू कैन यूज इन ए डिफरेंट कलर देन प्रीवियस, right? So the final answer is same plus different, right? So that is the problem. So that is the approaches, right? So in that I just understand we only need previous values, use variables. previous values का हमको बस जरूरत है. जैसे हमें अब हम कोड लिख के दिखाते हैं. इफ n इज इक्वल टू 1 है, ठीक है, देन रिटर्न के. बेस केस इज क्या है इसका, तो बेस केस हो जाएगा इसका n इज इक्वल टू 2 है तो इंट सेम इज इक्वल टू के, एंड इंट डिफरेंट इज इक्वल टू के इंटू k minus 1, right? Now start the for loop. Int I is equal to 3. Why not 2? Because if we have the 1 and then we just have to start from the, if there is the base case of n is equal to 2, so we just start from the 3. I greater than is equal to n and I plus plus, right? And int new same is equal to different, and int new different is equal to same plus different into k minus 1, right? And same is equal to new same, and different is equal to new different, right? And at the end just return the same plus different. Now see it will run or not. Yes, it will run. And just see it will submit or not. Yes, it will submit it. Yeah. So in that, there's the time complexity of, you know, the time complexity of what is, what is time complexity is order of n, order of n, and the space complexity is order of 1, right? Yes. Up now there is a confusion, like why we use same is equal to different, right? Same is equal to different, why we can use here? Because you can only form two same colors if previous were different. And why k minus 1? Because we must pick a color different from previous, right? So that is the approach. Yeah, thank you for staying till the end, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.